Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. CAKETIME 12-cup silicone muffin pan, non-stick cupcake pan, 1-pack regular size silicone mold for baking. Versatile baking essential. This 12-cup silicone muffin pan from CAKETIME is a multifunctional kitchen tool perfect for baking muffins, cupcakes, tarts, jellies, and even crafting soaps or fat bombs. Easy release and cleanup. With a premium non-stick silicone surface, this flexible muffin tray ensures effortless food release and hassle-free cleaning, while being dishwasher-safe for added convenience. Durable and heat-resistant, designed for oven and microwave use, this muffin pan can withstand temperatures ranging from -104 degrees Fahrenheit to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a reliable choice for various baking needs. Supportive design. While flexible, the silicone muffin pan requires a metal tray or cookie sheet for added stability during baking and handling. Thanks for watching and subscribe.